Well, it looks like I made it to Bratislava. I made it to the hotel, I checked in. Let's give a quick room tour. I say quick because it is a small room. Let's go to the front. So we got I did have to call down for the ironing board. I got that. Safe. And there is a free mini bar. So waters, looks like a couple beers, sodas. That's interesting. There's the bathroom. Definitely a full-size tub. It's really nice. And this is a king-size bed. You see it's wood floors. It actually has some throw rugs. TV. It's actually a good-sized TV for the size of the room. Looks like some teas, coffees maybe, or just tea. No, it's just tea. And a desk. And it looks like a nice leather chair. Interesting looking table right here, and then here's the view out of I'm on the second floor, so this is my view. It's like someone's out there walking their little dog. I noticed they have this terrace here at the hotel. It looks nice, but I'm not sure if you would sit here at this time of the year. There's a view of the terrace. Probably during the summer season, this is a place to be. It does look nice though.